They say I might die, I may be cold, I may have no Jesus, I may have no soul. In prison I hear it's time to be good, but the first thing you see is the last thing you should. Well, I've seen the battle and I've seen the war, and the life in here is the life I've been told.